girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar TAI VERDES. I believe you heard about him before, this time with a song called Lost Myself. So this is another song that goes in the same order through the entire song when it comes to the chords. And we're gonna look at this melody that goes on here and try to build in that in a strumming pattern. We love this songs that goes in this way. It's easier to play in that way, and you can sing along if you wish, or just go with the rhythm and feel good about it. So let's start with the capo-set here on the 5th fret. That's the easiest chords possible to get the right notes here for the melody and so on. So capo on 5th, and we will look at the 3 chords starting with C. So that is 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. Okay, next chord will be E minor. So that is open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. And the 3rd and final chord will be F. So you have a bar here on the 1st fret, all strings, and the rest will be 3rd on A, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. All right, so we want to get this melody here. So for C, you will start with this melody and a clap. So, okay, so that is 3 times on the 3rd fret B string. So 1, 2, 3, and you end with an open E string and a clap. Then you switch to the E minor chord, and here you're gonna play the same melody. So 3 times on the 3rd fret B string, and then open E and a clap. And then we have the final chord, the F. You're gonna play this melody for 2 rounds, and you found here on the 1st fret B string. So 3 times on that, and then you end with 3rd fret B string and a clap, like this. So you played that melody, short little melody for 2 rounds. So, and then again. And that's the melody, 1 round here. So C, E minor, and F, it sounds like this. And that's 1 round. You can do it in my way, like I just played here with the plucking style here, more controlled, and yeah, that's what I prefer. But you can also do it in the downstroke way, so or that is what's going on here for TAI VERDES song called Lost Myself. So if you like this, give me a thumb up, show me some love here, and I hope to see you very, very soon here on Gordon Guitar. Till next time, play tuned.